Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and the video for today is we gonna do unboxing. Happy Wednesday vlog everyone. So I went to the mall, and this is one of my favorite store now. It's a Windsor boutique at the mall. So I went there to buy some, I think, few dresses. So come on guys, let's start to do unboxing. And first thing that we're gonna do, I just borrowed this paper bag. But this one is a Windsor also. And we're gonna start this one. First, look at this. And by the way guys, they are on sale. So, and it's so cute. Look at that. In size small, hopefully it's gonna fit to me, okay? So this one guys is a size small. Look at that, and it's on sale, okay? So it's a Windsor. It's so cute. I love it. So when I try it on, I like it. So let's see later. I'm gonna try it on later, and then we're gonna get this one. So first thing that I'm gonna get is this dress. I don't know why I love tube right now. So this one also is a size small. And look, I broke it. I don't know this thing to put the hanger. So yeah, a size small also. Actually right now they are like a 25% off. That's why I buy some dresses. And yeah, and this one is a size small also. So hopefully it's gonna fit to me. But when I try it on, there is perfect size. So let's see. Then I have another one, but for the stomach to tuck in. But I don't wanna show it guys. And this is the one that my favorite one. Look at this. It's so nice. And everything is size small guys. So this one that I get there. So let's see, and I'm gonna try it on how it's look like. And I have one more here, but I cannot show it to you guys. So this is how the way it's look like guys. My brown dress, and I wear my Louis Vuitton purse. So I like it. And this is the second one guys. So as I remember, I did the unboxing 3 dresses, and this is the second one. Then I wear my brown bag, Michael Kors bag. So this is the way it's look like. Oh my god, I have a big stomach, so need to diet more. So this is how the way I look like. This is the third one guys. This is the third one, the last one but not the least. So I guess this is the one that is my favorite, and I wear one of my Michael Kors purse. So this is the one. It's gonna be like that. I love that. It's so nice. So far for those 3, this is my favorite one. you so much guys for watching. Hope you like it my video. See you soon. But by the way guys, every Wednesday I always promote my channel. So Monday is about restaurant food and what food that we cook here in our house. Wednesday is a fashion vlog, unboxing, shopping, and what is my collection in my closet. And Friday is about the travel, adventure, places where we've been, and as well as a restaurant also. So thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like it my video. See you soon.